learn how to stand on your legs when you are a child, and you learn how to walk. And like handstands is basically teaching your arms to do the same. So it's a process that takes time and patience and a lot of repetition. To be able to put it on stage, yeah, you need to be so solid. I got so obsessed with it, with the training and accomplishing a good technical level. Like, I'm still so focused on that. It's a discipline that you also don't stop learning. And yeah, I say it's a bit like a newborn baby that never grows. Like, you have to carry it, you have to do your training, you have to always be there for the discipline. Sometimes you do this discipline and you don't get the most applause for it, because sometimes people don't understand that you are in one arm and maybe you change like your center of gravity because you do different shape, but people don't recognize the difficulty, and other disciplines where you get thrown in the air and people are already like, wow. Maybe that's a challenge.